TISF announced to organize a roadblock in Assam Agla National Highway and in railway from 12th of February on the demand of Roman script. TISF State President Sajar Devarma said this on Friday by conducting a press meet at the Manikia Court in the capital. TBSC President Dr. Dhananjay Gonchaudhary took a U-turn on his decision over the issue of Roman script. As a result, there was chaos in the state. Sometimes he said students can choose any script, whether it is Roman or Bengali script, to write in the examination, and sometimes he said the decision was taken only to conduct the exam in Bengali script under the initiative of Advisory Committee for Khorang Language Committee. And now in the end, the TBSC President said that if the CBSE does not give approval, TBSC board will not allow the students to write in Roman script for the Khorang subject in the exam. Due to such provocative decision of TBSC President Dhananjay Gonchaudhary, there has been a chaos and disorder in the state. TBSC President has created a confusion among the students of the state. As such, all the students' organizations of the state were saddened over this issue. As a result, because of a TBSC President Dr. Dhananjay Gonchaudhary took U-turn on his decision over the issue of Roman script, TISF announced to organize a roadblock in Assam Agla National Highway and in railway from 12th February on the demand of Roman script. TISF State President Sajar Devarma said this on Friday by conducting a press meet at the Manikia Court in the capital. TISF President further said that they will not withdraw the roadblock unless the Chief Minister of the state himself write a letter to conduct the board examination in Roman script.
Actually, we all know that yesterday also I took to the Northeast Live that we already said that we call for the indefinite strike, but there is a little bit change over there. Now we just gonna block the road blockage for indefinite because road and railway is the lifeline for any of every state. So if it stop, then what general peoples will suffer from their daily needs, who will not get petrol, will not get their foods, because in our Tripura there is not enough food. We all supply from the outside, so it will be effect to everyone. So it must take care of the government of the state. So that's it.
It will be a strike or a road blockade?
We'll call for now indefinite road blockade.
Indefinite.
Yes.
Rail will also be.
Rail will also. Yes.
So ultimately, did you again try to contact the state government, or only the board you have contacted?
We several times we contact with the board and the state government also. Now it's enough for us. Now we can't control more. We need to block the road because this is the only way how they want to listen the state government. Before also in Kuwai, some students got beaten up, but we went to the police station, we went to the BJP party leaders, we talked because we want settlement, but they never wants all those. So that's why when we blocked the road, then at that time DM came, SP came, and then they got arrested, the culprits got arrested. That's the way, the culture of Tripura, we can say like that.
Are you giving any appeal, or are you going to hear to the board, or you want to speak directly to the government?
No, now we don't want to talk with the board because several times we went to the board president. Now we directly talk with the CM, and then we need ultimate solution. We know there is an education policy 2020. It says like that. Yeah. It says like that. Every state can start their primary education from their regional language, but here though it's no. And there is article number 19 also is there, freedom of speech and expression, violation of all those rules and regulation in Tripura. So that's why we are calling for indefinite road blockage from today. Not from today, sorry, from 12.
So, sir, what do you think? What is the reason? Because there was a solution, everything was settled. Now, all of a sudden, why a U-turn from the board president? What do you believe? What is the reason? What may be the reason?
I don't know exactly what may be the reason, but we know that there is a political reason behind all this, because we saw he already spoke to the news reporters and then social media persons that he also agreed like that, okay, it's okay, we'll go for this one regional language, Roman language and Bengali also. But now he told me like that, I am helpless, I can't do anything. So we know that what's going on, so we can see directly also.
If the president say he is helpless.
Yes, he says.
Should he remain in his post? Do you think he should continue in this post when he
I
says
think,
he is helpless?
yeah, if he says like that he's not maybe remain in his post, he must be transferred from his post, because it's very shameful word what he used, that he's helpless.
You want his resignation?
Yeah.
You want it.
Yes.
And the chief minister, are you trying to, people trying to contact the chief minister, or are you trying to give
We'll
a
not
message
will
that
not
they
go
should contact?
will not go to anyone now, because we tried many more times. We wants to settle all the things very lightly, but they don't want to listen us, so that's why we don't go now. They must come to us. We'll not go.
You won't.
No, we won't go.
You have tried.
Yes.
TISF State President Sajad Debarma also said that along with the TISF organization, YTF, TWF and all other organizations of the promoter will join the mass roadblock movement. However, after this announcement of TISF, what measures the State Education Department will take, we'll get to know in times. Reported by Salchang from Agartala, Chini Khorang.